This is another vertical. I got the thumbs up, so this fight will start in 3, 2, 1, go! Both bots spin up. Oh, big first hit. Pablo wants to stay on Shadow, prevent it from getting fully spun up if possible. Shadow needs some space to get that momentum. You can see how fast that gets going. Oh, big hit there, sends both bots flying. Shadow inverted in the process. Shadow using the ricochet off the walls, trying to hit the sides of Pablo. Something went flying. Pablo gets re-inverted off the wall. Somebody lost something. His pieces go flying. Bots are ricocheting off of each other. It looks like Pablo may have lost its weapon in a previous exchange. Now trying to use the momentum of Shadow against it. Shoving Shadow the Roomba into the walls. Shadow trying to line up a big hit here. Pablo doing a good job of keeping its armor pointed towards its opponent. .40 seconds remaining in the fight. Pablo giving chase. Shadow spinning up to speed. Does not look as stable as when this fight started. Just over 20 seconds left in the fight. Trying to show off some control and aggression. Pablo giving chase across the arena towards Shadow. 10 seconds left in the fight. This one will go to the judges. Last impressions here at the end. And that is time. Time in the round. This one will go to the judges. And the winner via judge's decision is Shadow the Roomba. Shadow the Roomba gets the win. Up next is Ted T. Tech and Son of Tombstone on